Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Marcus Bank account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Marcus is an online bank that offers high-yield certificates of deposits and no-fee personal loans. If you'd like to log into your Marcus Bank account, follow the process. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the URL box, type in www.marcus.com and press the Anthony keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Marcus soon after you do that. Now go and click on the login button at the upper right corner. And once you do that, you'll end up in the login area. Now in your login area and your email address in the first text field. In order to log into your account, make sure to type in a valid email address that is associated with the account and move on to the next field. Type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct one. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on Create a Reset Password button right beside the Continue button below. Now, follow the instructions and you can easily reset your password to a new one when you've forgotten your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Get Started link at the upper right and register yourself to a new account first. Once you have an account, you can easily enter your credentials and finally click on the Continue button to log into Marcus Bank account. Quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.